Alright ke mlaleli weMashelela TV kamala musiyasibiya siphuma ke la ePlayhouse la sibuza khona kuba uJoseph Shabalala weBlack Mambazo kumnandi khona ke la baningi abantu bakhona bahle futhi and they are so beautiful njengamanje kunentokazi enhle la asavela
sawubona bhuti njani
unjani
ngiyaphila
ngiyajabula ukuba nawe namhlanje and kuba khona kwakho ya wazogqoka kahle wazomuhle
oh siyabonga nawe kodwa muhle kwase mebonza uhloniphe kanjani ukuba kwekhaya
ngithi soyemzulu ngiyabonga kakhulu asavela kumnandi kuba nawe mfethu and ya mhlambe before siqhubeke ngene kuwena ukuba khona namhlanje la sibungaza umsebenzi omkhulu kangaka kababa weqhawe uJoseph Shabalala mhlambe kuwena kusho ukuthini lokho
kusho ukuthi siyayikhumbuza and siyayikhumbuza nentsha ukuthi singoba yes into ekanje ziyasiza ukuthi sizazi singobani and especially to do it on Heritage Day because siyazi ukuthi intsha ibukela kuthini it's a beautiful thing
njengoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi siyafunda ngoba uJoseph Shabalala nathi namhlanje kona nami nje ngiyafunda na ngithi sifunde nawe sokuthi sifundela ngathi sifundile
sifundile okuningi but most importantly siyafunda ukuba abantu abamnyama and ungayikhohlwa imvelaphi yethu ungayishintshi ukuthini
cause ngiyacabanga ukuthi kwi the legacy kwi Black Mambazo ila umculo othambe khona wazwanga ngisho phesheya abathola ama BET kwakhulu ngoba sishintshanga sibe original kuyibalento kuba original
ibalekile yizo wena
I love it thank you so much so mfethu siyakubona kuma TV ethu siyakubona kwimidlalo eyahlukahlukene wenza le yanto le yana mhlambe ngokwakho uma ngabe uwenza lo yamsebenzi ngokwakho yini eyiinspiration ekutheni uzithole uyingxenye lo yamsebenzi nje yana uzuhambe uzuthethe ngisho umuntu esekhaya umuntu omusha naye futhi ofisayo kulomsebenzi owenzayo.
Okay, I think the question is basically how I stay grounded and I think kukhulela nomakhulu emakhaya and for me who instill a lot of things in who I am and how I shape myself so yeah.
So do you like what you see on TV? Ngabe kuvela wena?
I hardly watch because I believe umsebenzi lesiwenzayo we draw a lot from abantu esihamba nabo esibabonayo nesingababoni personal experiences so sometimes you delve deep into the character and you don't want to go back because maybe there's a certain trigger to it but kuloko khona
I love it whatever you're doing there sikubuka sikulanda sithi wow she's doing so good so ngifisa umlayezo wakho njengamanje sengikudedela ngiyazi kunomuntu omusha ekhaya ubuka iTV ofuthandayo ofisa ukufunda kuwena mhlawumbe umlayezo wakho kuyena naye ezothi maye ngabe kubuka aqhuquzele ukuthi nami kusasa
ngizothi ithande uyihloniphe ube wena there is room for everyone in this industry and you stand out more when you're truly yourself.
Thank you so much. I love talking with you. Wish you all the best. Ngiyacela uqhubeke uphumelele. Siyajabula ukukubona and we love you. South Africa love you. Yes. Thank you so much.
Sure.